Anyway, who's ready to go?
Who are you trying to embarrass?
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got
So cute.
got pride.
I'm already terrified, like shaking. You know what? Just give me my money.
Seeing take me for granted, and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the west I'm leaving. I can take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood, and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit.
Hi, good morning, you guys. It is the next day and I had such an amazing night rest. I feel so refreshed. I went to bed once I had dinner and I came back. I went to bed. I think I mentioned to you guys I had assessments to get done. I had a video to try and finish up editing, but I didn't do any of that. I literally just slept up because I think there's just something that food does. I have something I booked for today. Now I booked it for 9:45 a.m. in the morning. I do not know why, but I had to wake up very early this morning just so that I could get ready, get dressed, and then be there. So I just got the email from them now, and then I was told to be there about 20 minutes earlier. It is 8 something right now. Should I tell you guys what it is or just leave it for you guys to see? I'm going for this Aquaduck tour. I've heard it is a good tour. I actually booked it before I started hearing about it, and I was like, oh, thank God I made the decision to book it because I heard it's nice, like it's adventurous, and there's like an adrenaline that comes with it. I will see you guys just before I leave and then there as well. Okay. What is this thing trying to do? Who are you trying to embarrass? Okay guys, so I am done with my makeup and I switched to this hair because this hair just does something and I really like it. It's actually 9 a.m. so I need to go get dressed and then we're out of here. Oh, also, so for this hair guys, I did not do anything again to the bangs, like to the fringe. You know, I told you guys I just cut it before I left the house yesterday, and then I said I was gonna come here and get it sorted because I have like all of my hair stretchers, my everything, they're all here, but then I didn't do anything to it and I don't think I can be bothered, to be honest. I think it still does a pretty good job just like this. That's how I got it. I'm wearing this white shorts and this yellow top. So I'm a size 6 up here, but then I got this in an 8 because I felt like it was just longer and I like the fitting more. I hope you guys can hear me. My type of shoes now, like my go-to. They are so comfortable. That seemed like it was a lot. Anyway, there's never too much lip gloss. Guys, I have my, is this Absolute? Yes, I have my Absolute lip gloss from Nigeria. I still have it with me. I brought a couple of them when I was coming here because if you know, you actually know. So this is the full fit now. I hope you guys can see me and can hear me as well. So these white shorts, this yellow top, my white bag, cutie, and like my nude white ballet flats. That is the outfit. It goes more with it. So this is the complete look. I have no idea.
Head north on Esplanade towards Staghorn Avenue, then turn left.
It's sunny, I'm happy it's sunny. There are just a bunch of people behind me now, and just as I was passing, they kept on saying like really nice things to me. I was so shy and I was like, oh my god, thank you, and they're actually blowing kisses. Oh god, I wish I had gotten it on camera for you guys. I feel like you guys cannot hear me. I will try to increase this volume as much as I can. Sorry about that. Anyway, I was saying that they were all like blowing me kisses and saying really nice things to me, and it was so cute. But I couldn't get to a recording, so I just turned on my camera now to tell you guys. But yeah, I'm nearly close to where I'm going. rain today. Morning. Aquaduck. Oh, how do I get in? Oh yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Hi.
Chinny?
Chinny.
Yeah, no. We can get on the 10:31.
Oh.
Yeah, this one missed.
Yeah, they're just gone.
So
So
normally can't.
instead
make
of,
it.
yeah.
But 10:30 will be the next one.
Okay.
You want to do that one?
I can do that one. That's fine.
Just
Yeah.
make sure you're here at 10:15.
Yeah.
Cool. So come back here at 10:15.
Yes,
and
please.
10:30.
Okay.
That's all good.
Oh,
So you're
thank
here now.
you. Yeah. I was just looking for it. It was a bit difficult to
It
find
is
here.
difficult, yeah. That's right.
We've got you on the 10:30.
Oh, 10:30 is full.
10:30.
Okay. Hang on, 10:30 is full.
Oh no.
Really? It's still showing me 10:25.
The rest
25.
has been playing up.
But I had 28 before, now I have 25.
11:45 is the next one.
Oh my. I missed my initial one for 9:45 a.m. So I was actually lucky to get a space for 10:30. I'm just waiting for my time now. It's 10:15, so I'm here on time now, and the tour is for 10:30. So I'm just waiting for the actual thing to start, and I just got myself a cup of coffee. My hair is already flying up and down. But yeah, that's the update. Hello, interrupting Chinny again. So I am planning something to reward my amazing supporters. Yes, you. So keep on watching. I hope you're enjoying the series so far. Okay guys, so that is the Aquaduck. Here.
My name's Adam. I'm going to be your captain for today, and we've got the awesome and amazing guide Liam down the back there that's welcomed everyone up on board. While the Aquaduck is on land, it is a transport vehicle, just like all of our cars and stuff that we have at home. So all of the rules that we all have in our cars, all of those rules apply to us here on the Duck too, okay? Take a look at the Aquaduck vehicle. It is a very, very wide road. We do travel very close to all the road signs, trees, and all the big heavy vehicles that we meet on the roads. So it's very important that everyone must keep all their heads, hands, elbows, arms and legs. Please keep all those body parts inside the frames of the Duck, okay guys? And they only apply to us while we're on the land. As soon as we make it to the water today, those rules are all out the window, okay? Once we touch the water, folks, everybody's allowed to stand up and move around the Duck should you choose to, alright? Anyway, who's ready to go? Alrighty.
Hey guys, don't forget to introduce me. Hi everyone, I'm the Aquaduck.
There goes our cheeky talking ducky. We're going to hear from duckies throughout the tour, guys, so keep a listen out for her. Let's get going.
This one here is nothing there, it's being built. Okay, so it's pretty much one big construction site. Floor level each. So half the basement, jump the lifts, you step out into it. Where we splash down onto the pro water. Who's excited? Give me a quack quack. Paradise jet boat in here as well. Give me a quack quack and a wave. Say no, George and Lee. Just like that, folks, we're duck on the water. So road rules do not apply. You can walk around, stretch your legs. Just be mindful, not everyone on the one side of ducky. Try to keep ducky balance throughout.
Now folks, as you can see, lots of beautiful homes on this stretch of the river here. Great big house over here with a grey tiled roof. Now this big house is coming up on our right hand side, but folks, great big house over here with a grey tiled roof. 25 $25 million. Folks, well, it's going to get you. I believe Adam Scott was the most recent one, the golfer.
Looks like we're on or in Charlie the Chocolate Factory River. Now, if you know the brand Culture Kings, this is the owner of Culture Kings. That's their boat here as well. That's his passing. Now, the owner of Nancy Jean is a mining billionaire and so-called Australian politician by the name of Clive Palmer. And they do a dinner buffet as well. The past
The tents over there by the sheds, that's because the boys are out doing all their rowing training. And majority of the time, that's what you'd have at the back of your house. Now, the homeowner of this house, folks, went one step further. He didn't put in a boat ramp, he did not put in a jetty.
That's Jackie Chan's house. Yep, one of his holiday houses here on the coast. Now, do you know what Jackie Chan's favourite drink is, kids?
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up, got to.
Before the quack quack and a clap clap to the genius skippers. We're back on the road again.
My shell is all aluminium.
Little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward. Through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push.
Here we are, folks, just swinging past Aquaduck. Our good friends at Aquaduck. Give me quack quack.
Forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night.
I guess you're gonna duck off. Bye.
I be in my feelings, I'ma be fine. Need time and I'll soon be winning.
Okay guys, so we're done with the tour. My hair is all over the place, but you can tell that I enjoyed it.
I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings, I'ma be fine. Need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight.
Use baby shark. Why would you give someone what they do? Be like, who is this so desperate?
No, don't worry.
Call them up. Use that telephone anyhow.
I've not even used the phone yet, to be honest. Say hi again.
Chinny, what are you eating? You've not eaten. You've not used the phone. You've not used the telephone.
Cherry, I went down to eat. Oh, Cherry, I went down to eat pasta yesterday.
I know.
Abby?
Chinny, French fits you. That's banners. You fit you.
Oh, thank you.
French first, that.
So we're back home, guys. First of all, we have the microphone. I miss this microphone so much because audio outside, I don't know what it was like, but I really hope it was good, or at least manageable. I'm back from the Aquaduck tour and it was an exciting experience. It really brought out the adrenaline that we were looking for. So I was excited about it, not disappointed, enjoyed it so much. There was a lot of storytelling, just, you know, like some facts and, you know, history on certain things. I hope you guys could hear. I can't even go over them at all. Honestly, I can't go over them. So I just hope that the clips were loud enough. Now, you have to put into consideration the fact that we're actually driving on the roads and then in water, and then there are no windows on the Aquaduck, so the noise from outside could have been a lot. There isn't much I can do about it, to be honest. So if you cannot really hear that part, I'm so sorry. Okay, so yeah, that is it, guys. I'm doing something even more exciting tomorrow. I don't want to say, I just want you guys to see it, you know, like when it's time. Oh my god, guys. I'm already terrified, like shaking. I'm really hoping that when I get there, I don't say, you know what, just give me my money, honestly, because let's see how it goes. I will try. I'm a very adventurous person, but then I like to try myself too much, and this is one of those cases where I'm over trying. Like, I'm trying myself, I'm testing myself, but it's okay, I'll be fine. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I'll see you guys later. I need to eat. Bye.